Noodles. Okay. Ito, noodles na yun. Ano? O, si ate. Sige. Sige, salamat. Oy, si nanay. Ate kay kuya.
Salamat, sir.
Maraming salamat.
God bless po.
Salamat din sa paglinis ha.
Salamat,
Salamat din sa paglinis sa ano ha. Sa
Good morning,
Good morning,
po.
sir.
Salamat po.
Yan ako, sir. Salamat.
Salamat po.
This life sure has a sense of humor, a funny way of knocking you to the ground. It hits you hard when you least expect it, and laughs the second that you were down. But in that moment when you feel like you're all alone, it's in that moment. I'll be there, right there to take you home. Let's go out and face the sun. Together we feel. Let's go out and face the sun. Let's go. Some days it's not easy to wake up. It's so hard just to be yourself. The cards can quickly stack up against you, lead you down a road running straight to hell. So don't let
kunting tulong. Okay. Wait lang. Boss, good morning. Boss, may bigay ako sa'yo. Bigas.
Ay, salamat, sir.
Oh, salamat. Ingat. Ilan kayo dyan?
God bless.
God bless din. Ate. Ano?
Man! Ayan o. Taji, tawag ka!
Ay, tawag. Boss, good morning. Bigyan mo ng bigas.
Salamat po rin, sir.
Ingat.
Hindi ka ba?
Sino pa? Takbo bigas yun eh. Ayan, takbo. Ay. Ilan kayo dito eh? 3. Okay. Oh.
Salamat po, sir.
Okay, God bless. Ingat kayo ha. Oh, ingat.
Salamat po.
Lahat.
Thank you po. God bless.
Thank you. Boss. Oh, sige. Ingat. Boss.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Salamat
Bigas.
po.
Salamat, ingat.
Boss, wala na, boss.
Wala na. Ayun, para. Atay, sasakay. O sige, ingat ha.
Thank you.
Okay na nun. Nag-aalabol ng bigas.
Top ko na.
Okay.